Ow! Alright, let me try. Ow! Ow! Let's put the metal to the metal. Ow! Vader, have you seen my lighter? I want to light up the new candle. Whoa! Where'd you even find this thing? What, buddy? Ow! Where'd you even find this? I bought it. Well, how much is it? $1 billion. Whoa! $1 billion? Yeah. Where'd you even get that from? Where'd you even get $1 billion to pay for that? Did you find that out the streets? Because usually you find money in the streets. Yeah. It was on your room. In my room. I don't remember having money in my room. It was some weird brown thing you can flip and over like a book. Like a wallet. Yeah, like a billfold. Then, there's some money in it. And then I start using that to pay for it. Lightning. You spent $1 billion on the circus thing! I did it, guilty on proven innocent. You idiot! We're gonna do now! Where I did not have $1 billion! Where'd you even get $1 billion from my wallet? I told your bank, you what? Well, it's true. What? How? They don't even know you. Well, I try to do your voice impression. How did you even do my voice impression? I like this. Ka-chow! Oh, I'm Lightning. I yell, 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 and yell. That's that. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's like we're voicing the same character. Well, I could do your voice impression. Really? Give me a beat. I'm Mater, and I'm stupid. That's pretty good. Yeah, it's very... Okay, seriously. Oh, you got that from a loan? What's a loan? I need $1 billion back. Mater. Whatever. Well, can we just return this? Or something? It's gonna be a problem. What? I told them I don't need a refund. So they were okay with it. Okay. No refund? Yes. Mater! I need my money! Where do I get my money back? I don't know. Mater, we literally got back from a vacation and you're already screwing things up. Figured out how to get my money back. If you're a mess, I need to figure it out. I got an idea. What? Why would we open a circus? Mater, we're 2 cars. We're only random people. Well, except for me. We're the only random people. What do we know about running a business in a circus? Well, we do wacky stuff, right? Yeah, but we can just pretend we're doing wacky stuff in here. Mater, this is not like our crazy, weird, loopy-doopy adventures. This is actually a serious thing. I'm broke because of you. Come on, what's the worst thing that can happen? I do have a business license. I did got a business license because I was planning to do a lemonade stand to earn some money because I never done a lemonade stand. I guess we're doing fine. We're doing a circus. Yeah, apple circus, apple circus. No, singing, but no, but no, but no, but no, But no! Okay, fine, Buzzkill. Good. Now, I'll probably get Ivy because she'll probably help us. She works for a circus too. Can I get clowns? No clowns! Okay, I won't get clowns. Alright, let me just call phone. Hello? Yeah, can I have some clowns? Mater, why would he do that? I don't know. Well, it's very cool. It's cost $1 billion. Don't break it. Alright, Mater, what? Oh my goodness! Hello. Mater, what did I tell you not to buy any clowns? Well, you said don't buy any clowns. Then what did it make you to buy clowns? Well, in my head, they want me to buy clowns. So you randomly listen to your mind except for me? Kinda. Fine. Alright. Bozo's a clown. Alright, listen up. We're only having one goal and one goal only. Reach $1 billion, okay? We need to perform the world's best to the best, top tier circus we ever got, okay? We're like a carnival gang, but I don't want to be a gang with you because you're clowns and I don't like clowns. So yeah, listen up, boys. Alright, get anything. We need to figure out what kind of performance we need and what kind of for the grand finale, okay? So guys, get ready. We're gonna need it. Alright, Ivy, you put some flyers around here. Okay. Wait, what the barrels? Hold on, let me do a juggling. Da 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 da. Upper circus, da 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 da. That's good. But we kind of use those barrels. We kind of need the barrels too. I think I have a plan for them. Okay. Alright, Mater. This is the one time I want you to do something. You better not screw this up. Okay? Alright, Mater, can you just set everything up and we need to create a list for any performance. Absolutely! Okay, you two do what you want, I don't care. Ladies and gentlemen, cars, welcome to the performance of Lightning Circus. Not original. Shut up! Alright, listen up. The more I want this circus to last more than 5 seconds, I decided I lost my $1 billion because I'm an idiot. So we're gonna do some performance. We got a lot, some stuff in our hands, so I hope you enjoy it. Any questions? Yes, Lizzie? Is it PG-13? What? No. No, it's rated for everyone. Yes, Shu? Can we grade it? No. Yes, Sarge? How do we survive it? It's not like a Hunger Game. It's not like any Hunger Game, Sarge. It's like, I don't know. Any more questions? Yes, chick. Can we cheat on this? No! Okay, no more questions, please. Alright, let's do the first performance. It's called Juggling Meter. Okay, here I go. Ta-da! Sebastian, the wailing walking dolphin. No! Do the juggling. Oh, sorry. Look, but do. Wow! Ow! Oh! And it was one more time. Upper circus, little. I gotta do. Whoa, wow! Yay! I'll be here all night. It's got a little bit funny. Next up, clown jokes. What did I supposed to do? I'm the bill. Hey, loser the clown. Yes, Mozo, you clown. What do you call a clown has clowns? What is it? 3 clowns and 3 barrels. Boo! Alright, let's try another joke. What do you call a 3-humped camel? I don't know. What is it? Pregnant. Anyways, time for my joke. Alright, what is it? What can you reach to count your ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. And by the way, what do you call a jumping clown? I don't know. What is it? It's this. Ow! Thank you for the laugh, audience. Ow. When do I get paid for this? Weird jokes, but okay. Alright, guys. It's the flying spinning clown time. Alright, listen up, my people. I'm just gonna fly around before I hit him, and then I'll be jumping on the hoop. Please don't. Right then, here we go. And death. Ow. Oh. Hey, I told you not to hit me. I didn't see. I'm colorblind. Alright, bye. Next up is the singings. Oh no. Alright, we're about to sing for you. Princess Peach, at the end of the line, will make you mine. Oh, peaches, 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 peaches. No! Get out of the stage now! No, no! We're about to do our performance. No! Okay, fine. I guess we'll just make a guy come out of the show. Wait! Okay, fine. Oh my goodness, we're almost having almost $1 billion. Keep it up, guys. Alright, guys. Let's do my performance. Alright, guys. Someone's gonna have to hit me. 3 barrels. You get 3 tries to hit me with those barrels. Any volunteers? I want to do it all. It's gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. I hate this. Yeah! Whoa! Ha! You missed. Yeah! Ha! Ha! You missed again. Yeah! What the? Ah! Ow! Ha! Yeah, you loser! Ha ha! All right, guys. Get ready for the grand finale. We're gonna do Jumping Ivy. All right. Hey, I got an idea. What is it? Where's this? Oh, it's risky. I know, but come on. All right. Here's a little update for our last performance. We're gonna do the hoop on fire. Yep. So, lit the hoop on fire. So when I lift this thing up, I push this button, and then the performance is gone. Ready, set, go! Woo! crossed $1 billion! Woo! Yeah, woo! Alright, we have crossed $1 billion! Woo! Alright. Now I can pay for the bank. Now I need to sell this thing. Oh, we had a good time. Yeah. And now leave, I don't like clowns. Fine. Hey, at least I didn't get hit by a barrel today. Haha, you missed! Ow! You know what? That's it! Come here! No, sorry. No. Ah!